One thing where Claude in particular has helped me a lot is where I was trying to solve certain problems, like for example, create a Gutenberg block in WordPress, which is something I have never done, and there's a lot of materials on doing it, but it's much better to generate an implementation, look at it, read it, and figure out, oh, this is too complicated, we can simplify there, we can remove this, and so on. There are a lot of things that you can do that are, with experience that come easy. But having this first draft is invaluable, and then having the possibility to ask Claude of, okay, so isn't this too complicated? Isn't this kind of do probing questions around it? Made me solve problems that I put off for a very long time. So with this, invaluable. Another place where I think they are extremely useful is generating prototypes to test various things. Again, invaluable. Another example is I set up a tech lab here at Mozaic Works, and it involved configuring things, doing a lot of DevOps, and I have knowledge of DevOps, but I didn't have the knowledge of all the necessary details that I needed to take into account for that. And since it's a lab, it has fewer restrictions than a production environment, right? The whole goal of the lab is to try out things. So in order to do that, it's very useful to have these assistants that can help us do things. Where it didn't help so much is in writing code that is actually useful. So especially when I'm working on a larger code base, it's kind of hit and miss, even with the newer versions. So yeah, these are my experiences. And it's interesting to see that these experiences kind of match with what they found.